Basic guide video of cutting PPR water pipe. One. Prepare for material and tool. Pipe cutter, PPR water pipe, marking pen, scraper, toothed cutter. Subtitle: in general, as for cutting pipe, scissors is recommended used for the size of DN16 to DN40, and toothed cutter can be used for the size of DN50 to DN160. 2. The steps of cutting pipe with pipe cutter. 1. Open the safety buckle of the pipe cutter and make the blade open. 2. Put the pipe into the cutting edge and ensure that the cutting edge surface should be vertical with the center line of the pipe. 3. Tighten the handle of the pipe cutter evenly and firmly until the pipe being cut off. 4. Check whether cutting end face have been cut flatly and vertically. 3. The steps of cutting pipe with cutting machine. 1. Use marker pen to make ring cut marks on the surface of the pipe. 2. Place the pipe flatly on the ground. Adjust the saw blade perpendicular to the center line of the pipe. Align the saw blade with the mark line. Press and hold the power switch of the cutting machine. Press the handle of the cutting machine until the pipe is cut off. 3. Check whether cutting end face have been cut flatly and vertically and clean the end face burr with a scraper.